Hey guys, Lynn here with another mystery box for you. Today we're going to take a look at the Happy Planner mystery bag that was up briefly a couple days ago for $34.99. And it says, backed by popular demand, this bright and fun 2020 mystery planner starter pack is perfect for anyone who wants to stock up on accessories or those who are just starting their Happy Planner collection. This planner case and all of the items inside are over $150 retail value. Please note this happy price does not include shipping, blah, blah, blah. While supplies last, grab one while you can. First come, first serve. And so we are going to take a look at this mystery bag. Now, first of all, as you notice, this is in fact a planner bag. This is, I want to say from videos that I've seen, this is this is at least a 3-year-old product. At least from videos that I've seen, they've gone back at least that far. So we are going to open this up, take a look, and see the items that are inside worth over $150. So apparently I have it upside down. So let's turn this around. So this must be the back then. First off, this side, I wish they would have utilized this and put stuff in it instead of paper. Oh, and look, there's stains here. There's stains here, y'all. I hope this is not a used bag. But anyway, there's this pocket here. Here's this pocket here. And there is a 12-month 2020 vertical layout planner. And it is the mini size. Let's go ahead and take this off, so I can show you guys what's in it. We just gonna throw that away. So this says, come on. Come on, sticky. Okay. It says, hooray. I like this. This is a nice color. You see that? The little silver specks in there and the silver outline. So, let's go and take this off. And it says, hello, this mini planner belongs to, and then here it says 2020. Here we have 2020, 2021 year at a glance. And then we have the month at a glance. So that's cool. They give you that all the way through December. And then we have the first section here. Here is your month. And then we have the daily. So it's a vertical, of course. And it's so tiny. Look how little that is. It's really cute. So let's go to February. So at the beginning of February, we have the start of the month. We have February notes, monthly goals, special days, and it lists them here at the bottom. Then it says celebrate every tiny victory. And then here's February, and then we go there. Then let's go to March. And again, we have your month here where you can pre-plan your things here. Here is the beginning. So it looks like every month is the same color from what I gather. Here's April, and then we have the same as the cover here. Well, okay, so April's green. Then we have May. I love the colorful stripes. And then there's May. And then here's June. June is green yet again. Then we have July. Create your own sunshine. Here's the things here. And then August. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Look at that. And see, it has a little note section here on the side with the little dots there in the same color as the month. Here's September. Hello, good times. And then here's October. Pretty. And here is November. Do what makes your soul happy. And December. And the back cover. So that's that. Now let's put this back here. Let's open up, see if there's anything in here, and there isn't. Guys, I am really baffled. It was just paper. I would have thought that they would have stuffed these sections full of items. And by them saying this is $150 worth of stuff with just a bag and that one book, y'all, I'm not seeing it. Oh boy, I'm nervous. Okay, so they put the goodies in here. And let's see, anything in here? All right, there's a couple of things in this pocket. I really wish they would have stuffed all the pockets full of the goodies. I just knew they was going to stuff the pockets with the goodies, but they didn't. So we have a happy notes here. Then we have a sticker pad. And then we have some highlighters. And that's basically all that was stuck in this pocket. What's all these bits? Okay, so now we've got some notepads. There's a couple of notepads here. Here's some sticky notes here. Here is a Brights sticker pad, sticker book. And here's a Neon Lights sticker book. And here's a Babes Supporting Babes 2020 desk calendar. I'll go through these, y'all. I just want to show y'all what's in here first. And then here's some journaling stickers, and then there's pages of that. Then we have the Happy Planner, a little pad of stickers here. And then here's these sections again. They're just full of paper. I just knew, y'all. You can't even open it. I'm gonna have to cut those. I just knew that they were going to stuff these bags full of stuff. And they said this is $150 worth of stuff. Happy Planner, y'all are starting to I'm not happy. This does not seem like over $150 worth of product. And as much as things like this go on sale, like these stickers and stuff, oh my goodness, y'all. I mean, I like the bag. I know the bag is probably like, what, $40? These sticker pads are generally $14.99, so $15. That planner is maybe, what, $10? I could be wrong. These have got to be like $3 or $4 a piece. And this is maybe $10, $15. Well, I mean, I only paid technically $35 plus shipping for this. So it's basically, if anything, look at it as it's the price of the case. Okay, just look at it as It's the price of the case. But considering it's their product, you would think they would have thrown more stickers or, you know, notepads or whatnot in here. I just knew they was going to fill up all these crevices with goodies, you know. That's just not the case. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and thumb through the rest of these items in here. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below of what y'all think about these items. I'm interested to know what you guys think. This one's messed up. It's causing it not to open properly. So yeah, maybe I'm just too, I don't know, maybe I'm being too, I don't know, y'all. But to me, I would have thought it would have been more items than this if they're saying it's $150 value. Okay. But again, I could be wrong. So let me know y'all thoughts down below on what y'all think about this this product here. I was so excited when I ordered it too, because it's like, oh, I know they probably gonna stuff it full and everything. And yeah, to me, I look at it as a missed opportunity. Like I said, this sucker could have been stuffed to the brim, because I've seen some people's videos of how they have stuffed these guys. And yeah, it's like, yeah, I guess this is $150 worth of stuff. But yeah, this video is not as long as I thought it was going to be, but I guess that'll be it. So all right, guys, thank you all for watching. And yeah, again, let me know what y'all think about this. To me, I honestly feel that it could have been better. Don't get me wrong, you know, I do like the bag and I like the items inside, but I just don't think it's $150 okay, $150 worth of product. But yeah, so that'll be it for this video, y'all. I don't want to make this video entirely too long. If you feel led to do so, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when a video is uploaded here on the channel. This is Lynn, aka Blog All About It. Thank you to the 70+ subscribers that have subscribed thus far. You guys are freaking amazing. And I look forward to bringing you all content. And thank you all for watching. To the future subscribers, thank you all for subscribing. And yeah, I will see you on the next video, guys. Take care.